Concept and definition of correlation. In many practical applications, we might come across the situation where observations are available on two or more variables. The following examples will illustrate the situations clearly. 1. Heights and weights of persons of a certain group. 2. Sales revenue and advertising expenditure in business. And 3. Time spent on study and marks obtained by students in exam. If data are available for two variables, say x and y, it is called bivariate distribution. Let us consider the example of sales revenue and expenditure on advertising in business. A natural question arises in mind that is there any connection between sales revenue and expenditure on advertising? Does sales revenue increase or decrease as expenditure on advertising increases or decreases? If we see the example of time spent on study and marks obtained by students, a natural question appears whether marks increase or decrease as time spent on study increase or decrease. In all these situations, we try to find out relation between two variables, and correlation answers the question if there is any relationship between one variable and another. When two variables are related in such a way that change in the value of one variable affects the value of another variable, then variables are said to be correlated, or there is correlation between these two variables.